going on, guys? Today I'm out here at one of my favorite local spots in Bedford Basin. Gonna do some fishing. I just stopped at Sobeys to get some fishing bait there. When I've checked before, they've usually had squid. I asked buddy at the counter and he said that they haven't been able to order any in, so I don't know. I got some clams anyways. I've heard that works pretty good for fishing bait. Never actually tried it before. We're gonna see how it goes. So it's a pretty cold day out. It's below zero right now, I think. I don't know how long I'll be out here, but we'll see. Probably catch something anyways, you know. So I was trying to get this weight off of this piece of line. So I was being lazy when I put it away. I didn't cut it off the line. I just kind of threw it in my tackle box, and then I realized I don't have my knife on me, so I'm just gonna use my lighter, and just like that, burns it right off. Pretty easy to do with this braided line I have. Here's the clams I got from fishing bait. So they were $3.27, pretty expensive. Usually I get one squid, and it's like not even $1, so it's more than I usually spend on bait. There's a lot more meat to this than I thought there would be. All right, so I was getting a lot of bites right in that spot, and I lost my weights because I kept getting snagged. So now all I got left is these two tiny weights here. So let's see how that works. Now, even though I know that there's fish biting in this one spot, there's some pretty good ones. I had one hooked. I had a fish hooked there, but I was snagged on something at the same time, so I couldn't pull it up, but I could feel that it was on there. It's really annoying. So yeah, I'm not going to try that spot again, but I'm going to keep moving down the wharf and keep trying, because I know they're out here biting today, even though it's freezing. Yeah, it's a quick update. Just lost the last of my weights, so all I have is this heavy jig head, and I busted the hook off of it with a rock because I don't want to get caught on the bottom again. This is probably the only thing I have left that I can put on my line that's gonna let it sink to the bottom. So last thing I want is to get hooked on the bottom again. It's so windy that I'm doing this sitting down so I don't blow over. Hopefully we're gonna catch something here. When I was setting up, some old fella told me that I wasn't gonna catch anything, so I'm gonna show him and we're gonna catch something today. So we got one. We got a little small little cunner. Yeah, let him go. It is really windy out here, really cold. This is one of those spots. It's a great fishing spot, but when it's windy, it's really windy. Same with my other place I like to go to, Alderney Landing. That place gets really windy when it's that kind of weather. Shout out to the boys down at Alderney Landing that I usually see there too, by the way. You guys doing any fishing this winter or what? Comment down below if you are. Right? It's gonna be pop. Still with another cunner. Lost the bait. Go. Now we're catching ground fish. If I wanted to, I could probably do that. Let's see here. I believe that is a cod. Cool one to catch a cod. They're pretty good eating. Alright, that's it for you. This wind is killing me right now.